Hello, this is Laura with SkipperBud's in Marblehead, Ohio, and we are in our showroom looking at a new 2023 Heyday. This is a WT-2 with the tandem axle trailer, nice swing tongue on the front, brakes, nice pads on the trailer to step up onto. Ski tow hookup on the back. There's actually several different places where you can attach for towing. This is stock number HD20023. Nice center walkthrough. They've got these nice tubs, this like tub-like seating, which is really comfortable, and it allows for people watching the rider to be as close as possible. Nice big filler cushion on the bow. Lots of seating, lots of places to hold on. Captain's chair with bolster turns all the way around, as you can see. Nice gray and white interior. Nice ski decking, which is really comfy. And we can see we can have a nice tower with speakers and board racks. Another look at those. We've got our rock Ford Fosgate sound system, all of our controls. So we've got our underwater lights, our ballast controls, all those settings there. On the port side, we have a nice little compartment that we can lock. And then we have a lot of storage here, and that can be accessed from the cushion on the bow as well. That backrest can remove, so you can get all that access. Lots of storage down below, and we can see we have our hookups for our ballast there as well. Please come by and check us out if you're interested in this, and if you're interested in anything else from SkipperBud's, please give us a call. Hopefully we can get you on the water. Take care.